Welcome to Process Hub, the channel that takes you inside the world's most fascinating factories. Today, we're at one of the largest spaghetti production facilities.
The spaghetti production starts with raw material delivery.
We verify each bag for quality upon arrival.
Bags are opened careful to avoid contamination. Samples are taken for purity checks.
Semolina is pumped into silos for storage.
Water is essential and must be purified first. Quality tests ensure water meets standards.
We store water in hygienic tanks.
Additives are measured precisely. Final raw material checks before mixing.
Semolina is loaded into hoppers.
Machines are calibrated for accuracy.
Water is added to hydrate the semolina.
Additives enhance the dough quality.
Mixing begins to form the dough. Speeds are adjusted for optimal blend.
Mixed dough moves to kneading. Kneading develops gluten structure.
Cycles ensure even kneading.
Elasticity confirms proper kneading.
Dies determine strand thickness.
Speed ensures thousands per minute. Strands are hung for drying. Defects are caught early here. Pre-drying prevents sticking.
Initial drying sets the shape.
Rotation ensures uniform drying.
Now to the main drying chamber.
Temperatures are set for slow drying. Tunnels dry strands gradually.
Moisture is reduced evenly.
Airflow prevents overdrying.
Drying preserves texture and shelf life. Cooling stabilizes the strands. Brittleness tests ensure quality. Sorting prepares for cutting.
Cutting to standard length.
Precision cuts thousands per minute. Cut strands move to quality control.
Visual checks catch imperfections.
Weighing ensures portion accuracy.
Breakage tests confer durability. Approved batches proceed to packaging. Packaging materials are readied.
Spaghetti is portioned into boxes.
Sealing preserves freshness.
Labels include production details. Boxes are stacked for storage.
Wrapping protects during storage.
Pallets head to the warehouse.
Inventory tracking is essential.
Shelves organize storage efficiently.
Conditions maintain product quality.
Final samples verify overall quality.
Shipments are prepared daily.
Dispatch completes the process. Securing ensures safe transport.
Cleaning maintains hygiene standards.
Maintenance prevents breakdowns.
Restocking prepares for next run.
Logs track efficiency.
The factory produces thousands of strands every minute.